Are you looking to create a super fast web hosting server? Then this video might help you to achieve this. Hi, my name is CB Paul. I create amazingly fast websites for my clients. In this video, I am introducing you UpCloud, the best server now I have. This is 2 times faster than the popular hosting companies, and UpCloud provides 24/7 live chat support for free when others are charging for email support. You can't get this kind of support from anywhere else. This is safe, faster and cheap. You know one thing, I have added something very special in this video. As I said before, UpCloud is 2 times faster than other hosting companies, but I can make it 10 times faster. You may ask how it is possible, and my answer is I'll use UpCloud hosting with a Litespeed Webserver. By watching this video, you will learn how to install Litespeed Webserver on UpCloud hosting for free. Yes, this hosting is free for next 5 months. By using my $25 free credits, sign up using my promotional link, you will get $25 as free credits. That's sufficient for at least 5 months. I have added my promotional link in the description of this video. Remember one thing, this offer is very limited. So sign up right now using my link in the description and continue to this video. After you sign up using my link, you will get $25 as free credit, as I said earlier. After you log into upcloud.com, you can see a screen almost like this. This is UpCloud dashboard. Here you can see a button called Deploy Server. Click on that. Here we have an option to select the location, the physical location of the server. In my case, my client is focusing India. So India is not in this list, means in UpCloud don't have a physical location in India. But we can choose Singapore because Singapore is a network hub for hosting, for so many hosting companies. So we are going to focus India. That's why we are selecting Singapore because of the nearest hub, nearest location. So if you are focusing US, you can choose any US server. They have 3 different locations in US. Also they have in UK, Finland, Australia, Germany and many places. You can see almost 12 places they have a physical location. In my case, we are focusing India, so we selected Singapore. Now, my friend said he need to start with the basic plan because his website is very new and doesn't have any visitors, and he is starting up everything. He's starting online business, so the $5 plan is really well for him. In my case, I run many Google news websites that have millions of traffic per day. I mostly choose every new project with $80 or $160 plan. Then I migrate to $240 like that. A normal website, in my case, a normal e-commerce website always use the 40 plan. This is really good, and I host almost 2-3 websites with these plans. Okay, in my friend's case, the $5 is best. He can host around 5 websites. All websites will be work very well, very good, okay, without any performance issue. This is enough. The 1 GB RAM on CPU is really enough for a starting website. He can host up to 5 or more, sometimes more. Yeah. So we are selecting the plan, 5 USD. Okay, we selected here country, we selected here the plan. Okay, then listen, from now you have to pay an extra attention. Okay, here I am. You can keep this everything as default, but I don't want to see some digit and numbers together, so I want to add the project name in everywhere. Okay, so that will be easier for me to later signing on the account, signing on the hosting or like that. So it will be easier for me. That's why I changing the name everywhere. Okay. Automatic backups is a good idea, but in my case I don't need this. Okay, mostly I don't need this. Maybe I will use some alternative solution like Google Drive or something like that. So I don't know, I don't want to pay extra money for this. I want to keep the budget as lower as $5. He said like that. Okay, so then choosing the operating system. Which operating system is right? Okay, for now, in my experience, CentOS 7 is best. Okay, I have also heard a news like CentOS is stopping their services, something they are changing something. I am not so much sure, but they are going to stop in 2025 or something. CentOS will work around 3 or 4 years, but now CentOS 7 is a stable one, so I am choosing that. You will get updates till 2025 or 2019 something. Anyway, I am not sure. But why I am not choosing Ubuntu? Because Ubuntu is a different architecture. It should be improved a little bit. It is not a stable release. Okay, Ubuntu gets updates occasionally, so it is not frequently. Ubuntu gets updates frequently, so it's not as stable. But the CentOS 7 is a stable one because it gets occasionally only. Okay, it gets updates occasionally. So anyway, I want a stable build, so I am going with CentOS. Later, after 2 or 3 years, maybe I will choose Ubuntu. Okay, maybe. Now I choose CentOS. Okay, this is 2021, so I choose CentOS 7. I like stable things always. So what is next? IPv6 support. Okay, why IPv6? As you know, IPv4 is very limited, so many customers, many visitors using latest internet connections, like new kind of technology they are using, 5G somewhere, 5G. So all that is very much equipped with the IPv6 support. So when we don't have an IPv6 support, then maybe there will be a conflict or issue. So this is free, so turn it on. By default it is on. Okay, if you have a particular function that doesn't need IPv6 and you want to turn off it purposefully, then you can turn it off. Okay, common people, majority of the small business owner, they would like to host their website on cloud, then the turning on will not be a problem. So in my case, I turn this on. Okay, I need a faster website. Then look at this very carefully. Look at this very carefully. Here is an option. This is an advanced options. Allowed login methods. Okay. Here by default password and SSH, but I will recommend you choose only SSH keys, because if you choose password you can log in using an user ID and password. That is not safe. That's not safe. If you use password and SSH, the default one, you can use SSH key to log in as well as you can use passwords. So once the password option is active, anybody with password can log into your server. That is not safe at all. So always I choose only SSH keys. Everything else I keep as default. Okay, I don't want to change anything. I keep as default. Okay, then another most important thing, SSH keys. If you are new to cloud hosting, you may be unaware of SSH keys. This is something like an encrypted hash key we generate using some software like PuTTY tools. Okay, we can generate the hash key and add it here. Then we can log in using the hash key. Sounds interesting, right? Do you think this is complicated? Not at all. This is very easy. I will explain, but you need an extra care. Okay, if you cannot understand, just pause the video and watch it again. Okay, pause the video, rewind again. Okay, so very simple. Here we need to add SSH keys, but how to generate SSH keys? There's an option. You can go to Google and search for PuTTY, PUTTY. Okay, this software, you can go to this website. Okay, you can download this here, this option. Okay, you can download PuTTY here. Anyway, in my case, I already downloaded the software and installed in my PC. I'm using it for a long time. Okay, when you search for PUTTY in your desktop, you can see two things. One is PuTTY, another one is PuTTY Gen. Okay, here at this time we are going to create SSH keys. We are going to generate SSH keys. So we need to open PuTTY Gen. Okay, PuTTY key generator. Okay, so you can see this screen after you open the generator. There is a button. Click on generate. Then move your mouse like this on the screen. Okay, just move. Done. Okay, then after you see these numbers, these things, then in my case I want to change the key comment as my client's project name. Okay, then I want to add a password here. That's a secret. I will not tell you the password. You can use your password, but remember, don't forget this password. Okay, this password is very important. Okay, so whatever you put here, take a physical note on your diary or a notebook or somewhere. You can also save this in Google Drive or somewhere, Google Docs or somewhere, but make sure you have the password. This is very important. Okay, so in my case I use my password. Okay, then what is next? Here we have a key. Okay, and we have to copy the key first. Okay, first you copy the key, complete, copy, paste. Okay, I paste in a safe location in a notepad. Okay, minimize, then we changed the key command, right? We changed the password. Okay, we entered the password. Okay, then click on save private key. Save private key. Okay, then save it as with a name. Okay, I put my project name. Save. So now what we have done, we generated the hash key, we added key comment, we added a password, then we saved it. Okay, also we copied the text. So here we have the SSH key, the text here we have, then we have the private key file. Okay, we have a private key file and we have the key in text document. Okay, this is different. Okay, this is the another file, you don't need it. Okay, now what is next? Just to close the putty generator, then click on add new. Add new. Here name of your SSH file, the same file name as my project. SSH key, do you remember you copied the key and saved it on a text file? Yes, the same key, paste it here. The same key we have in file text document, also we have the key as a key file. Okay, private key file, a private key file and the key itself in a notepad, both we keep. Okay, so we pasted the key here, save the SSH key, then here nothing. Okay, no changes. Host name, I'm using my project name both places. Okay, done. Host name and my server name both same of my project name. Okay, nothing else, it's done. Now we just need one step away. Click on the deploy button. Done. It will take some time. Now we are giving the commands to UpCloud to create a server according to this configuration. They will create it very soon. They are creating it. Just wait some time. Hi, UpCloud has deployed the server according to our configuration. So the message, you can see the notification here. Just to close the notification. Okay, and here you can see the name Pulleri Sendoya 7 and a new IP. You can see the IP here. Okay, copy the IP. Okay, we can copy the IP and paste it here. Okay, this file is different. Okay, we have you saw the here 3 files. Okay, this one, so I save that. Okay, now what is next? Once you see this, you have followed all the steps as I said, then you can click on open the server. You can see these things here: server name, host name, CPU, memory, storage and everything. Okay, okay, so how can you install Litespeed and CyberPanel in this server? Okay, just open putty, click on putty, then copy the IP from here, copy, okay, paste it here, paste the IP, okay, then do this, root at your IP, root at the rate your IP. Then you can put a name here, okay, I put my project name. Remember this, root at IP, then project name, click on save, then you can see here something, my project name is open, click on that, then click on load. Okay, now my project is loaded, my server is loaded, but one more very important thing you have to do, that is very much important. Once you've done this, click on SSH and click on the plus icon here, then click on the auth, AUTH, okay, then click on browse, go to the folder where you have saved the private key, select the .ppk file. Do you remember you have generated the private key using puttygen? The same file we have to add from this window. Now you can see the file folder is showing here. Then again click on the session, click on save. Remember, you do this step as it is, as I said, okay. If you have any doubt, just pause this video and look it again, watch it again, okay. This section is very important. This is how we are going to log in using putty to our server, okay. So click on project, load, open. Then first time you are opening, you can see a notification like this, just click on S. Now here we are going to log in as root and it is asking a password. Do you remember the password? I asked you to note it down in your diary or some notebook. Do you remember that password? The same password you have to enter. But remember, when you are entering the password, the screen will not show anything. So don't make any typo error. Don't make any mistake. Don't make any typo error. I'm entering my password here. After I enter, press the enter button. Now you see I am logged in as a root user. You see this? Root. Okay. There is some wrong login attempts. We have to protect our server using some advanced firewall. I will create a new video how to protect our server using firewall software, okay. But in this video we are just installing and making it configure the setup only. I will post another video with the security in mind, okay. So now we are logged in. How we can create, how we can install Litespeed and CyberPanel. Just one line of code. I will share you the code in the description, okay. Just to copy this code, just to copy and you click on here, just right click, this is pasted, automatically paste. When you right click, it automatically paste. Just press the enter button. Done. Now you will see some on-screen instructions. Okay, you have to follow that on screen instructions. Now we are installing CyberPanel with Litespeed server, Litespeed Webserver software. CyberPanel with the Litespeed. Okay. CyberPanel code is asking for what to do. Install CyberPanel, right? Yes. So we have to press the 1 and enter. Install CyberPanel with the Open Litespeed. Install CyberPanel with all Litespeed Enterprises. Exit. I want the second option because Litespeed Enterprises is the most stable and perfect solution. So I choose the second one. Please input your serial number for Litespeed Webserver. I will create a new video how you can generate a serial number in Litespeed website. If you have a serial number already, you can enter it here. But you can also use a trial. This trial will work for 15 days. Within the 15 days, you can create a license, then add it in the CyberPanel dashboard. So that is easy. If you have, you can use it. Otherwise, you can go for trial. Then you can add it later. Anyway, I already have the serial number here. I copy, then enter, done. The serial number you input is yes. Click on Y, enter. Full installation, yes. Do you want to set up remote MySQL? This will skip installation of local. No. I want MySQL in local. Please enter key to continue with the latest version or enter specific version. Okay. We need to go with the latest version, right? So just press enter. Default. Here it is asking for an admin password. We can put a password, or this time we can go for the default one. That is 1 2 3 4 5 7 5 6 7. We can change it later. Okay. So I press D, enter. Do you wish to install a memcached process and it's a PHP extension? No, actually, why no? I will tell you why. I am using Redis. That is why I am not using memcached. Okay. I use Redis. I am a Redis fan. Okay. If you want to kill the watchdog, run. Okay. Yes. Now the system is installing Litespeed Enterprises with CyberPanel. It will take a lot of time. Sometime if your server is very efficient, like if you created a 6 CPU or 8 CPU, 8 core, 16 GB RAM, then it will be very quick. We created just 1 CPU, 1 GB RAM, so it will take some time. Okay. Hi. Now the installation is completed. We have to reboot the server. So run the reboot command. So done. So now the server is reboot. Now I'll tell you how to access the CyberPanel. We have installed CyberPanel with the Litespeed. How to access the CyberPanel now? Then enter the IP in the address bar 8090. Okay, that's the port. You will see this because our IP is not delivery to SSL, so we will see a certificate error. That's normal, no problem for that. Click on proceed. I think it might be a delay because of server is not restarted fully, maybe. Because it is first time restarting, it will take some time. So I think hold on a few minutes. Done. You can see CyberPanel login screen. So how can you log in? Do you remember we selected a password like default password, like while the installation we selected 1 2 3 4 6 7. Yeah, that's the password. 1 2 3 4 5 7. Okay. The SSH password is different. Here admin password is different. Okay, CyberPanel password. Now we have logged in the CyberPanel. Okay, we can go to Litespeed status. See, okay, we can check our Litespeed license in 35 days. Okay, so this is normal. Litespeed license will update in every month. Normal. You can remove the license and you can use a trial license, or you can create a new license and add here. Okay, that is possible. So now we have completed the installation of Litespeed server and CyberPanel. We can create websites, we can install WordPress, we can do almost everything like a cPanel hosting. Okay, almost everything. So I will post a new video with all the informations what we can do in CyberPanel. Okay, I will create a new video. So you don't forget to subscribe this channel. I will create more videos like this. Okay, this is a new channel, so maybe I'll take some delay for in my videos. Okay, but I don't want to miss any information because in this kind of stuff we can't do it in 1 minute or 10 minutes. Okay, so we don't want to miss any very important information, so it will taking some delay. So I hope you learned something new today. Once you are in this screen, everything else is possible. You can install WordPress, you can copy files, you can create websites, whatever. So this is the cPanel. This is the main thing. Okay, I'll create a new video with every options, what is possible, what is not possible. I will create a new video very soon. So once you reach here, you have done. Check out my channel. Find another videos related to this topic. Go and watch the playlist. Okay, you can learn everything. Okay, anyway, from today I am creating a series of videos related to this. My next video will be little bit faster, like I will not delay in content. Okay, anyway, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Okay, thank you so much, and also enable the bell icon. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.